Assalamu alaikum. My name is Umar Hassan, and today I will be addressing an issue that not only affects the students but it affects all the professionals. It is called procrastination. You don't know what it means? It's called laziness. If you have an assignment that you need to submit tomorrow, or if you have some very urgent work that you need to do, but you just get carried away, you're focused more on watching one more episode of your favorite television program. You have to reply to a text from your friend, or you think that I can take a nap of 1 hour and I can do it later. Now, at times, you miss deadlines, you're not able to perform well, and you really start to wonder how can I possibly reduce my laziness and be more active. So, today, my video is going to give you some very practical tips on how to improve upon your procrastination and be more active and more productive. If you have not followed my channel yet, please subscribe and do mention in comments that what strategy do you use when it comes to avoiding laziness and being more active. Now, the first step that you can follow revolves around a concept that we have heard a lot of times, that is called motivation. Now, we all know what motivation is, how can we work on self motivation, but when it comes to our practical approach, we are not able to relate it with ourselves. My opinion to you is that it starts with having a very wonderful relationship with yourself. It, just consider an example that if your friend is going through a tough time, you would want to give him or her some piece of advice. But you know, when it comes to giving advices to yourself, we find ourselves in a position where we are not able to relate to those advices. Be a very good friend of yourself and always tell yourself that these goals, these milestones that I have to pursue, they are really important. The assignment that I have to submit tomorrow, that is going to help me get good grades. So just keep on talking to yourself. Okay, I have to do it. Your communication, your relationship with yourself is going to play a very important role in self motivation. So when it comes to generating ideas and talking to yourself, always be very productive. Use sentences like, I have to do this. I'm good enough to do this. I have to complete the activity before the deadline. Here, I would want to share a very interesting strategy that I use. If I have a deadline to submit something on Friday, I would set a target of completing it on Thursday, one day before the deadline. So once I'm done completing my work on Thursday, I can just relax and have a very good time on Friday. One another strategy that we can use is reinforcement strategy. It's a difficult word, reinforcement, but it basically focuses on rewards and punishment. Yeah, you need to reward yourself for doing something wonderful. You can buy yourself a chocolate. You can give yourself 1 hour of playing a video game that you like, or any activity that you prefer. So once you are targeting on achieving a milestone, just understand that if I'm able to do it in a specific period of time, then I would be rewarding myself with something that I really appreciate, something that I really like. On the other hand, you need to understand that you need to punish yourself as well. Because you know, your mind works on this reinforcement theory. If you have not been able to complete something on the given deadline, do not allow yourself to do that layer activity that you were really looking forward to. If you are planning to go on a trip on a weekend with your friends and you have to complete something on Friday, if you were not able to complete it on Friday, punish yourself by not going on that trip on the weekend and complete your work. That is how your mind is actually going to be trained to look forward to rewards and avoid punishments. If one studying routine or if one process is not working for you, you can always try new things. One of the very wonderful strategies is to have a partner, a friend who actually understands your nature of work and has the same priorities as you. So when you are studying, preparing for an exam, preparing for a test, Make sure that you have somebody with you who understands the context and who is able to motivate you, help you, guide you in achieving your targets. That is going to be really beneficial when it comes to avoiding laziness, because at times we are not able to motivate ourselves. We need somebody externally to support us. So make sure that you have a certain friend that helps you and guides you. So the next thing that you need to do is have discipline in your life. I know we have all heard this word over and over again in our schools, in our colleges, and our parents tell us to do it, our teachers tell us to do it. But have we really been able to understand what discipline means? It means that you need to have priorities. Please set up a timetable, understand what you need to do first and what you need to do later. This is one of the major elements that make a person either effective or ineffective. For example, if you have a weekend and you have planned multiple activities on that, you need to have a gathering with friends, you need to address to some family work, you need to go out and do some shopping, and you need to complete an assignment. You need to have these things mentally prioritized. Now, I understand that most of us, we prioritize these things mentally. But when it comes to actually doing them, we usually forget, we get carried away, or our laziness basically plays a role. So, what you can do is make a list, an actual list, either on your mobile, tell it to remind you that something is due and you have to do it, or you can have sticky notes. Now, one of my students, she shared that these sticky notes have worked wonderfully well for her in terms of maintaining the timetable, scheduling her work, and being more effective. So I hope that these little strategies that I share with you, you are going to relate to them, and inshallah they are going to help you in becoming more active and more productive. If there is any strategy that you use and that is working well for you, you can always comment, share, and please subscribe to my channel as well. This is Umar Hassan signing off, and until my next video, take care.